Hey everyone, it's Val here. Welcome to another Cooking with Val video. It is currently 8:30 p.m., which is okay, but today I am going to be making something with the following ingredients. Let me show you. So, I'm going to be using Tostitos, nacho cheese, this is queso con salsa de res, golden corn, or sweet golden corn, and cotija cheese. Now, some people might want to put Valentina sauce or sour cream, but I'm not a big fan. Maybe my brother is, I can ask him. Hold on. So fortunately, my brother likes Valentina sauce, so let me go ahead and get that out too. Okay, so here's the Valentina sauce. Now, if you've watched my vlogs, then you'll know what I'm going to be making today. But if you haven't, then go ahead and watch my vlogs first, and then watch this video, because my vlogs are, the vlog that I made on what I'm making today, it is kind of, I'm making it because of what I ate. So go ahead and watch the vlog first. I'll have the vlog, should be on this side. If it's not on this side, then it's going to be on this side, but I'll have it there. So let's go ahead and make our yummy meal. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is open the corn can and take out all the water, and then I'm going to warm up the corn. Then next, what I'm going to do is warm up not all of it, but some of the queso con salsa. I sound so American. Queso con salsa, and then I'll put everything together. Okay, so some of our pots are kind of occupied right now, so I'm using this one. I normally wouldn't use this, but since the other ones are occupied, I have to. So what I'm going to do is dump the corn in here, just let it warm up. I'll put all of the corn, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to put all of the corn in here and let it warm up. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it around so it warms up better. Okay, so at this one, I'm just going to warm it up. I'll probably warm it up on a 2. And then while it warms up, I'm going to mix it, but while it warms up, I'm going to go ahead and start getting the sauce, the cheese sauce warmed up too. So let's go ahead and warm that up now too. Okay, so now I'm going to get my cheese sauce, and I'm going to grab a spoon, and with that spoon I'm just going to put some of the cheese sauce in. I'm not going to put too much only because we're not going to be eating all of it today. So I think maybe like 4 to 5 scoops is enough for the cheese sauce. I think I'll do one more, just because nacho cheese is one of the greatest tasting cheeses, especially this one. This is really good cheese sauce. My mom and I loved it. So yeah, so that's the next step, and I'm also going to warm that up. I'll probably warm this one up on a 4 just because it's cheese. Okay, so now that I've got my corn and my cheese like warming up and stuff, what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm trying to get you guys at a good angle. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix both of them up just a little. I'll tilt this if I can. I hope you guys can see this, tilting it a little. But I'll just mix it up a little, and then just so it gets warm evenly. And I have this on a low heat, so it's not, because I don't want the corn to overcook. And then I'm just going to mix the cheese just a tiny bit too. If you can see, the texture is a little more runny, which is how you want it. You want it to be more runny. And now that I'm mixing it, what I'll go ahead and do is start preparing the rest of the dish. Okay, so I'm going to first start with prepping my brother's plate. He is currently playing a game right now, but I'm still gonna start prepping it. So I've already opened a bag of Tostitos, and I'm not gonna open a new bag. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna put some Tostitos onto the plate. Oops. Okay, so I just poured some Tostitos onto the plate. Let's go ahead and spread them out. I'll put some more. There's a lot of broken ones in here. Just put some non-broken ones. I think that's good. Tostitos are honestly really good. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll get the nacho cheese. The nacho cheese is next. I'm gonna bring the nacho cheese to over here, and I'm gonna put, not all, of course, but some of the nacho cheese. Go ahead and pour it onto these chips. Okay, it needs more. I'm most likely going to need to warm up some more of this because this is quite a bit. If my brother doesn't finish this, I'll probably finish it for him, even though I don't like Valentina sauce. I'll probably end up finishing it for him because I think it might be a little too much. I'm not sure if he will finish it. So after the nacho cheese, I'm going to go ahead and put some corn. And I'm just going to kind of drizzle it. I guess drizzling corn. I dropped some corn. I think I'll put just a little more. Okay, so there goes the corn. And now, after the corn, goes the cotija cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some cotija cheese. Okay, I have long nails, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a spoon, but hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I'm making my dinner too. This is just like a snack, but I'm gonna grab a spoon and just a teaspoon, and I'm going to get the cotija cheese and kind of just sprinkle it on like this. This actually is starting to look really good. Okay, so now after you've drizzled the cotija cheese, next goes the Valentina sauce. And this is the part that I don't like. I don't like Valentina sauce, like I've told you, but I'm doing this because it has to have a good presentation. So hopefully it's not, the whole of the Valentina sauce is kind of big, so I don't want to like put too much. I'm just gonna go slowly, just slowly pour the Valentina sauce. Okay, I think that's good. I don't want to put too much. So, that is what it looks like finished. Let's go ahead and get another angle. Okay, so here's the finished product. Doesn't it look really good? Now, I don't like Valentina sauce, like I've said a million times, but I think it looks really good. So if you guys, I'm gonna also show you guys me making mine, but this is how it looks, and it looks so yummy. And actually, I really love how it looks. It's like a really pretty presentation. So yeah, let me go ahead and make mine too. Okay, so now I'm going to start preparing mine. I'm not going to get as many just because I don't want to get as many. So I know I got a bit bigger plate, but I'm also going to be putting something else on my plate. I'm just going to get a little bit more on this half. Crap, I did not mean to put that many. I think most of them are just like little crumbs, which is okay. So I think that's good enough. And then I'll go ahead and put the cheese and everything else, but hold on. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and bring the nacho cheese over.
Is it tostilotes?
Tostilotes, yes.
Tostilotes?
Tostilotes. So, tostito, toasty, T-O-S-T-I, and then elote, E-L-O-T-E-S. So, if you guys heard me talking to my brother, you are probably now know what I'm serving. So these are tostilotes, and my mom and I tried these a few days ago. About a week ago actually, if you guys watch my vlog channel, then you'd know that we tried them about a week ago, and they were really good. The only thing is the corn that they use. I think it was just like the regular corn. It wasn't like a good corn. But my mom and I got the sweet corn. I think sweet corn is better and it has more flavor. So we got that corn instead. So yeah. And I wanted to get corn from like an actual stalk of corn. However, we didn't end up doing that. So because we were kind of running out of time. But yeah, so let me go ahead and put the corn on here, by the way. But what I wanted to say was that my mom was supposed to be here helping me record this. However, she ran out of time because she had to leave to Mexico. If you guys watch my vlogs, then you know that she left to Mexico. Yeah, she had to leave to Mexico because she's going to go take care of my grandpa. While my grandma is gone for 2 weeks, my grandma is going to Detroit, Michigan. So I hope she enjoys that trip. And my mom's taking care of my grandpa for 2 weeks. Otherwise, she would have helped me, but she ran out of time, like I said, which is okay. I'm not gonna get mad at her. But I did tell her that I would make her some of these when she gets back. And yeah. So now that I've got the corn, I'll go ahead and put the cotija cheese. Honestly, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if cotija cheese is pretty much Parmesan, just like in Spanish. But I'm really not sure because it kind of reminds me of Parmesan. If you guys look at like the texture and stuff. But yeah. I'm gonna put a little extra cotija cheese only because I'm not having Valentina sauce, and the cotija cheese adds a little bit of, I think in my opinion, a little more flavor. So yeah. Okay, so I've pretty much finished my tostilotes. That is what the finished product looks like. Now, I think if, like I said, you can eat them with sour cream. However, I'm not that big of a fan when it comes to sour cream. So, yeah, otherwise I would. But these are my tostilotes plain, so I'll go ahead and take a picture of these too. Okay, so my brother doesn't want to do a taste test, but of course I will do a taste test. So I'm going to go ahead and try one of the ones that has the most, or almost the most, which looks like this one. Let's go ahead and try it. Okay. This was actually really good. You know, some people might be biased when it comes to their cooking. However, I don't think I'm biased. I think it's more because I love my grandma's cooking, and she's like a really great cook. And a lot of the time, like, I mean, that's probably biased too, but I try and mimic more of her cooking because her cooking is really yummy. And also, if I don't like something, then I know how to make it better. So it's not that I don't think I'm biased. I just think I know how to make it better. But if I showed you guys all the ingredients that I used. I'm not sure exactly where my mom got the cotija cheese. Don't know where to get that. But that it is. I got that from Ralph's. I'm pretty sure you can find it anywhere, to be honest with you. The Tostitos, you can find it anywhere. Sweet corn, you can find it anywhere. I use the organic sweet corn Kroger brand. So, yeah. And then that's pretty much all of the ingredients that I used. Oh, the Valentina sauce, you can get that anywhere. So yeah. And let me see if I can ask my brother something. I asked my brother if we could hear him complimenting my food, because he's complimented my food before and he said that he liked these, but he's kind of shy. So I'm not gonna make him be in any of my videos. But if you guys liked this video, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you guys would like to see more of my videos, and subscribe down below. And if you guys would like to watch me on other, like, doing other things other than just making these types of videos, subscribe to my vlog channel. And I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my Tellez-Giron. It's Tostielotes. I will have it in the description, the name of it in the description box, I can't talk. I will have it in the description box down below, what it's called. Like I said, this isn't my whole, I'm not eating this for dinner. I have something else cooking. But yeah, so give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys are going to try this out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone!